In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard filter in Power BI. Before we jump in, a quick note on terminology. In Power BI, dashboards and reports are different things. Dashboards in the Power BI service are made of pinned tiles, while interactive filtering happens in reports. So when we say dashboard filter, what you typically want is a slicer inside your report. That slicer controls visuals on the page and can be synced across pages for a consistent dashboard-like experience. Start by launching Power BI Desktop. If possible, keep your app updated so you have the latest features and formatting options. Once Power BI is open, go ahead and open your existing report file. Slicers work best when your data model is tidy, so make sure the field you plan to filter by, like date, region, or product, exists in your model and is connected to the visuals you care about through proper relationships. On your report canvas, look to the Visualizations pane and select the slicer icon. A blank slicer visual appears. Place it where you want it on the page and resize it to make room for values and, if needed, a search box. Now, drag the field you want to filter by into the field well of the slicer. If you choose a date field, Power BI might use a hierarchy by default. If you prefer a simple list of dates or a relative filter, you can switch the field to the exact level you want, like year or date, using the Fields dropdown. Next, open the Format pane to customize the style and behavior of your slicer. You can switch between a vertical list, a dropdown, or tiles. Use a dropdown when space is tight or when the list is long. It keeps your design clean and adds a built-in search. Use a vertical list when you want people to see many options at a glance. Tiles are great for highlighting categorical choices with a button-like feel. While you're here, consider enabling single select if you want users to choose only one value at a time, or leave multi-select on if multiple selections make sense. Adjust the header, font, and colors to match your report's theme so the filter feels integrated. If you want the same slicer to control multiple pages, go to the View tab and open the Sync Slicers pane. Select your slicer, then choose which pages it should sync with and whether it should be visible on those pages. You can even keep it hidden on certain pages while still applying the filter behind the scenes, as long as those pages use the same field. That's it. Add your slicer, format it for clarity, and sync it across pages to create a smooth, dashboard-like filtering experience right inside your Power BI report.